We have to wait for that rain out there in the Ohio River Valley to move in here after midnight. And that's when it will be moving in. As it moves in, you'll also notice how the temperatures, they don't drop tonight. In fact, they go up overnight tonight. So around midnight or so, temperatures are around the 50-degree mark. We start to get some rain out there. Tomorrow morning, there's some downpours out there, and that will be with us through the morning. Look at the temperatures. We're already at 10 o'clock in the morning, near 60 degrees in many spots. But the temperatures will then start to crash as we head late into the afternoon. You'll see the cold air coming up from the west. Once the rain gives out, and the cold air starts flowing its way back in here. And that's why during the afternoon, the temperatures will be falling off as we head late into the day. So as far as rainfall totals are concerned, I think it's very likely we'll get a half-inch of rain. Some spots may get as much as an inch of rain out of this as it works through. So tomorrow, downpours in the morning, rain toward midday. Notice the temperatures go up near 60, but then during the afternoon, it'll be windy with falling temperatures. And I think by the time we get late into the day, it'll be much like what we had going on today. Temperatures back into the 40s. All right, here's the way it breaks down then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, chalk it off to wind and rain, 58 degrees, but dropping in the afternoon. Tuesday is a cold day, only 42, and it's going to be windy out there as well. Wednesday starts off fine, a little chilly start at that. We end up at about 50 degrees, but the cloud cover starts to thicken up. And by Wednesday night, I've got some rain in the forecast. And Thursday, looking like showers pretty likely across the area for Thanksgiving. After that, we'll clear it away on Friday, kind of partly cloudy skies on Saturday, and cool sunshine will greet us next weekend. So unfortunately, as you look at the next 7 days, the opportunities for rain tomorrow, yes, but also on Thanksgiving Day. It doesn't look like it's going to be staying dry. It looks like it's going to be a wet and fairly warm one. That's the latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wonka.